the kitchen where the magic's made. Yeah, and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals.
Hi there. Today we are going to make a low-carb cottage cheese brownie. And this was from AI. It's the first time I'm making this and it looks really good. So you're going to use cottage cheese and you're going to blend it. And I have a NutriBullet. Now it asked for a half a cup of cottage cheese. So I did a half a cup and it just wasn't blending. So my advice is put more than a half a cup, blend it, and it's going to come out like sour cream. And then take a half a cup from that. And then we'll start. So preheat your oven to 350, which I did. And then you can line with parchment paper or grease an 8x8 baking pan, which I went ahead and I sprayed my olive oil. And we're going to start with our ingredients. We are going to do cottage cheese, eggs, and vanilla. So half a cup of cottage cheese, blended. 2 large eggs, and vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that together. Okay, that was simple. Now we're going to add our almond flour, a half a cup, right here. Cocoa powder unsweetened, 1/3 cup. And baking powder, which is 1/4 teaspoon. And our sweetener. And I'm using Swerve, 1/4 of a cup. Okay, and go ahead and whisk that together. You don't need a hand mixer for this. You could do this by hand. Chocolate batter there. That was easy. So you can add some chocolate chips to make it richer and sweeter. And I like to do that. And I like Lily's milk chocolate. I'm going to pour just a little smidgen in there. I like chocolate, so I would say that's probably 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. You can even add walnuts if you like, but I notice with walnuts, it takes the sweetness away. And when I want something sweet, I want something sweet. But if you like walnuts, you go on and do however you want to do your brownie. It's your brownie. But I like chocolate, so I'm going to top it with just a few more. Just a few. Yes. Okay, that was very simple. And now it says that we are going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Hi there, we're back.
All right, we are about to taste the low-carb cottage cheese brownies.
And I'll tell you what that looks like when it's done.
We have high hopes.
I'm excited. Cheers. I can
Very
taste
moist.
Yes. It is very moist. I can taste the chocolate chips.
Yes, it's very rich.
I always wait till the next day with my desserts. I always wait. I think tomorrow it'll be even better. But it is good. Now I would suggest some chocolate frosting. Buttercream.
Caramel.
Ooh. With your skinny syrups.
Oh,
Just like your mug cakes.
definitely. Yeah, that would seal it. Those skinny syrups are amazing.
Caramel frosting. That would be good.
But if you have a sweet tooth, this is definitely going to fill it.
Yes.
Because I have to end my meal with a sweet note.
And
And so this would work. Maybe a little side of low-carb ice cream.
Ooh, yes. And I have a recipe for that. Mm-hmm. You won't feel left out when you bring this for a potluck.
Yeah. I'd say AI is knocking it out of the park.
Yeah. Yeah, when you have cookouts or parties or potlucks at work or family and you feel left out because you can't eat because you're on the diet, you bring this. Don't tell them. And at least you have something to eat that's delicious. Mm-hmm.
Yes, I would make this.
And it cost barely anything to make. I mean,
And it took you what, 5 minutes?
not even 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, you already have this stuff in your pantry, and I mean, especially if you're low carb, we all have similar things in our pantry. Yeah, like 5 minutes. I think it's good. You know, Lily's also has a peanut butter and a butterscotch and a pumpkin and a white chocolate chip that you could add.
Yeah, they have a caramel one too.
Ooh, caramel and peanut butter. If you were to switch it up, maybe layer peanut butter, caramel, and have 3 different flavors. Maybe a little walnut on one side.
Yeah. Or even instead of the cocoa powder, try a vanilla protein powder.
Ooh, or a peanut butter powder. The PB2.
Oh,
That would be good.
Yum.
With the peanut butter lilies.
mm-hmm.
Yes. And then the chocolate chips. Oh, that would be good. I like this. I'd make this
Yes.
again.
Definitely a fan.
Love you would make this. Or if you do make this, please let us know. And please let us know if you added peanut butter or caramel or white chocolate chips from
What
Lily's.
variation did you make? Or which variation would you like to try?
Yeah. Or did you add frosting? Or was it Chalk Zero sugar-free chocolate syrup? Ooh, with the ice cream and Cool Whip.
Yeah, like a brownie sundae.
Yes, like a Friday night dessert. Yes, you could definitely eat this and not feel like you're being left out.
2 thumbs up.
Winner, definitely 2 thumbs up. I would definitely put this in my weekly rotation. Every Friday night, a brownie. Well, let us know if you try this and you like it, and let us know if you use, I don't know, a mint chocolate chip, peanut butter. Let us know.
Lots of options out there.
You could even cut this up and put this in the homemade ice cream.
Oh yeah,
like a blizzard. My mind is just going right now. This is really good. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching.
In a kitchen where the magic's made. Yeah, and Trisha got it laid. Low carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually priced.